Taking a GLP-1 medication is not cheating. It's not lazy, and it's not a shortcut. It's a tool, and the only people calling it cheating are the ones who don't understand the work you're actually doing. There's a lot of noise out there. People with no experience using this medication love to share opinions about what you should or shouldn't be doing. It's the easy way out. You didn't really earn it. You're not doing it the right way. I want to be very clear. You're the one tracking your meals. You're the one showing up when it's hard. You're the one navigating side effects, emotional triggers, and mindset shifts. So no, you're not cheating. You're changing. And anyone who has a problem with that, obviously they aren't watching closely enough. Here are 3 mindset shifts to help you shut down that stigma and own your progress. 1, medication isn't a crutch. It's a bridge. It doesn't remove the work. It makes the work more doable. A GLP-1 gives you the space to actually build habits without being constantly derailed by food noise or survival mode. That effort, that's earned. Every meal you plan, every walk you take, every intentional choice, that's you, not the shot. 2, needing support doesn't make you weak. It makes you wise. This journey was never about doing it alone. GLP-1s don't replace commitment, they support it. You still have to show up, think differently, feel your feelings, and do the work that lasts. If anything, using the right tools shows that you're serious about healing the root, not just managing the symptoms. 3, you don't need to explain your progress, just live it. You're building something sustainable, a stronger mindset, a more regulated relationship with food, a better connection to your body. And the truth is, the people who get it, they don't need an explanation. And the people who don't, they're not doing what you're doing. Let your results speak for themselves. So the next time someone questions your process, I want you to remember this. You didn't choose the easy way. You chose the aligned way. And that's how real change lasts. Drop a lock if you're done defending your journey, and I want you to tell me, what's one judgment you're choosing to let go of for good? And remember, we can share our journeys, but we should never compare them. Bye.